Hello one, another little cooking vid, and yeah, welcome. So today I just find out I got one nice cauliflower flower, and I actually bought it some time ago and I just forget about it. And anyway, so I will just make a little soup of that, because I like cauliflower soup. Anyway, first things what we want to do, just get this cauliflower and clear it up from the extra leaves and everything. Later on we just want to drop it into cold water with the salt for cleaning it out, because on this way after like 10-15 up to 20 minutes you can see all the debris and bugs what was sitting inside, if there was some, they just going out of it, even tiny flies and things like that, so they just go away, try to get out. Anyway, that's the first steps. What else I have? A few potatoes, carrots, onion, and pot at the stove. So, and that's basically it, what we need. No, I could add like few cloves of garlic as well. I got 2 in here, that should be enough for such amount of soup. And yeah, so I will prepare everything, wait until this one gets clean, and we begin to play with cooking. So see you then. Okay, so I believe I'm ready. I just drop 1 liter of water into the pot, another liter standing here, because I decided I will go with 2 liters at the beginning. And yeah, cauliflower still in the water, potatoes need to be peeled off, onions, carrot, garlic, another carrot for later on. Anyway, now we need to start the base of the soup, so what go first? Yeah, I will just drop you in here, and yeah, let's drop the second liter of water. Oh, I believe that will be soup for 2 days, like usual. I dig out tiny piece of spare ribs from my freezer, so that's going in. And later on, 1 small onion, just cut it in half a little bit. Second small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tiny pieces of carrot, everything going up to, let's say, half of the power of your stove. What else? As we have 2 liters, I believe I could go with at least 2 teaspoons of salt. Will be not enough for sure, but we can always add extra later on. What else? How it's in English? No, I haven't in here. That's strange. And 1 tiny extra going in. I don't know what you call this one. I call it English pepper or something like that. Anyway, not too much. 3, let's say 4 pieces of that going in. What else I can give? All herbs are very welcome. No, I don't like this one. It's some kind of garlic leaves, but anyway, I have no idea how it's called in English. Anyway, I'll give a tiny bit. Oh, no, and this one I like a lot. It's also kind of peppery taste. It looks like black sesame seeds. Just tiny bit. I believe that will be it for now. Let's just give a little bit of black pepper, a little bit grinded, and let's maybe drop like 2 or 3 in the full size. And what we do next, I will just cover it, let it to boil, and later on just slow down, get rid of all those onions and garlic, I believe. Carrot can stay, and begin to add other ingredients. So bring you back then. Okay, I believe everything bubbling nicely. Yeah, looks okay. So what I will do now, I will just grab my waste pot for the compost and try to grab the onions before they fall apart. Just like that. What's here? No, this is meat. It has to stay. Okay, onion peels. Don't need that. Another onion. One more. Looks like I get all the onions. Now I just need to find out garlic. Where are you, little fella? No, I see one. Oh, this is carrot. Oh, that's half of one. Second one fall down. Okay, got one full. So it's only half left. But at least I took the self peels of this first half. This is the leaves. Okay, I cannot find it. Anyway, I took away all the peels, so that's good. Just wait for the compost. That's all. What I will do next, we'll just take a taste check. Base is okay, but need a bit more salt. So I will just go with 1 more teaspoon for now. Don't wanna over salt it. Anyway, leave that for, let's say, 5 minutes. I got peeled my potatoes, so in the middle time I'm gonna just cut the cauliflower for the smaller pieces. Anyway, so I give this 5 minutes and then we will see what come out. Okay, just forgot to start my camera, but anyway, I just add those tiny carrots and the potatoes. As you can see, it's all in. I just put it in. Anyway, everything look good, smell great, taste okay. So we will cook it like at least 10 minutes right now, and later on we will add our cauliflower, so that will be a main taste of the soup. Yeah, it tastes great. So anyway, I hope I do not forget to start my camera next time when I add cauliflower and the rest of the stuff. So see you then. Okay guys, I believe potatoes are almost ready. They're not supposed to be ready right now. It's past like 15 minutes. And yeah, let me try one. Yes, they are almost ready. Just need like few minutes more. Anyway, right now I will gonna add our cauliflower on this, and just mix it nice together, swirl it all around, and I will leave that for, let's say, 5 to 7 minutes, and that will be it. Later on we will add a little bit of cream fresh. I have it here, just 15%, and then we one last time check out the taste, if it's enough salty, enough pepper and everything, and we are ready to serve. So see you back then. Okay guys, about 10 minutes passed. What I will do now, just add those cream on it, and then we will wait out, let's say 3 up to 5 minutes, and then we'll check out the taste. That's the look. Cool. Begin to look great. Let's take a first sample. Almost perfect. A little bit more. That's enough. What else I will do? I will just give a little bit more of fresh grinded pepper. That for start. And I believe as well a few pinch of fresh grinded sea salt will not harm that for sure. Let's just give it a little stir. Good. I choose this pot for making that because it's fairly full. Yeah, taste is okay. I believe taste is good. So I just leave it up for, let's say, 5 minutes, and that will be it. I will be ready to serve. Potatoes inside, quite nice done. As you can see, those big piece of carrots floating on the top, so it means it's ready. Let me just grab one piece of cauliflower. It's good, nice, crunchy, not overcooked. That's great. Yeah, that is just perfect. And tiny eyes of the fat, creating at the top, so that's the perfect sign of soup is ready. Yeah, I believe so. It's very ready. It's very good. One more thing I will add to it. Oh, hey, it's hot. Anyway, one more thing I will add to that soup. It's parsley, but I have no fresh one. But I do have dried one. I dried myself, so I will add like pinch of it on the top of it. And it is right here. So let's just open it up. That's the look. Dried parsley. Not much aroma. Smell a little bit, but not really a lot. Anyway, let's just put it all over. Okay, a little bit more. And that's it. So my soup, it is finished. Just a little bit, little swirl to get those parsley hydrated. And that's it. Cover it up, shut the heating down, just leave it for, let's say, 5 minutes at this hot burner, and later on I will just take it, all that, and serve in the bowl and enjoy that. So I hope you can catch on the recipe and try to make it yourself. You will see, you will not be disappointed. So thanks for watching and see you at the next one, guys. Take care everyone. Bye.